God, if you're looking for a nice street food, a nice fried chicken meal, a nice fried chicken like KFC, check out Black Bamboo for your best street food. You know, when you come here, you get a very good experience, right? So in a shop here, you have a save, right? Cause the food very affordable, and then we are deliver that nice food, that's nice experience, yeah man. So nothing shortcut, very nice. Fried chicken now, all natural, no MSG, no Maggi season. The jerk chicken, same thing, no MSG, just natural herbs and spices come together and make something great. We also have juice, we have lemonade, a special lemonade. So the lemonade don't make with just sugar and water and lime. No, something special. So come check out the Black Bamboo lemonade. And also we have mango juice, cucumber juice, and coconut water. Yeah man, the original one, not the one that we buy and the rest and knock off the little artificial thing. No, all natural. So come check Bamboo for your best street food. So I said before, Black Bamboo located in Bagwalk Church Road, right across from Condensary. Yeah. So come check Bamboo for your best street food. You get a very good experience.
Because of that, so I left the room down. Starting to the island and friend. Oh.
Chicken runs through, you know? Yeah man. Wish you can smell that nice aroma. The ginger, garlic, and the turmeric. You don't know the natural season and everything, so all this now the eye of the burn, you know, when I do the curry. Make the curry nice. Today, they run through chicken, Gwaan, spread with water, you know, and take a little water. The chicken want to boil, you know, for decent and nice. Start cooking the stuff now, the chicken and all, right? But I didn't want them to cook down with all the spice and thing then. We pressure fry for the chicken. I'm tell you say the chicken come like a KFC, yeah man. Don't fry in the regular way. It pressure fry like KFC and them big company there. Nice ripe plantain. Alright guys, so this are the fried chicken, right? Very flavorful. So before, no MSG, no Maggi season. All natural, just a ton of herbs and spices come together and make a greatness. Yeah, no MSG. Guys, look at this. Look at it, look. See? Juicy. Nice. You can see say don't dry out. Look at that. Very juicy and nice.